In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp, create email campaigns, manage contacts, and track results. By the end, you'll know how to navigate the dashboard, add your audience, send a polished email, automate follow-ups, and measure what's working. First, log into your Mailchimp account and take a quick tour of the dashboard. Campaigns is where you'll build and manage one-time emails and automations. Audience holds your contacts so you can organize, filter, and keep them up to date. Automations lets you send emails automatically based on triggers like signups or purchases. Reports is where you'll track opens, clicks, unsubscribes, and more. And integrations connects Mailchimp to other tools you use, such as e-commerce platforms or CRMs, so data stays synced. A minute spent exploring these sections now will save you time later. Next, add your contacts. Go to Audience, choose Add Contacts, and select Import Contacts. You can upload a CSV file, copy and paste from a spreadsheet, or sync from another app. As you import, check that columns map correctly to fields like email address, first name, and any custom details you care about. Only add people who've given permission to receive your emails. This protects deliverability and keeps you compliant. If you already use tags or groups, apply them during import to keep your list organized from the start. Now, let's create an email campaign. Head to Campaigns, click Create Campaign, then choose Email. Pick a template that fits your goal, or start from scratch if you prefer full control. Add a clear subject line and confirm the sender name and email so subscribers recognize you. Build your content with text, images, and buttons, keeping it scannable and mobile-friendly. Use preview mode to check desktop and mobile views, and send yourself a test email to catch any typos or broken links. When everything looks good, either click Send or schedule it for the date and time that best suits your audience. To stay consistent without extra effort, set up automation. Go to Automations and click Create Automation. Choose a workflow such as a welcome series, abandoned cart reminder, or a post-purchase follow-up. Define the trigger, customize each email's content and timing, and then activate the workflow. Start simple, and you can refine steps as you learn what resonates. Finally, track performance in reports. Open your campaign to see opens, clicks, unsubscribes, and bounces. Look for patterns: which links get the most attention, which subject lines drive engagement, and which segments respond best. Use those insights to improve your next send, whether that means adjusting timing, tightening your copy, or refining your audience.